up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of DannyTV. Today we're going to bed line the inside of our truck bed. I got a few prices from the professionals and they quoted around $700 to get this Line-X, which is almost triple of what we paid for the bed. So we're going to give it a shot ourselves. Wish us some luck by dropping a like right now. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned and let's get started with today's episode. So we are done sanding the bed. We hit all the rust areas with the wire brush, and then we moved on and went back with the 80 and finished off with the 180. You do want to pay attention to all the corners and get those roughed up. But now we're going to clean it off and start spraying it in. Alright, so we got the bed nice and clean. We're going to go ahead and mix up our rocket liner. So since this is the gloss black and not the tintable, it takes 6 ounces of the reducer for every jug. So let's mix it up and give it a shot.
Let's do it.
This is our first bottle. You're supposed to go about 50%. I wanted to hit the sides. So when I come back again, I'm gonna do a second coat on the sides and then work my way out of the bed. I hope we have enough. What do you think?
Yeah, we should. We got 3 more. You're supposed to do what, two coats?
About 2 coats, but I went a little heavy on it. You're supposed to only cover it about 50%, but that was about 1 bottle right there. So we'll see what we can do.
Let's go mix some more up. Second bottle. Second bottle right there.
Alright, you guys, so we are done spraying the rocket liner. We had just enough and it looks great. I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. So now we're going to go ahead and untape, get this bed to the side, and pull the truck in and start working on the frame.
You got there.
Alright you guys, so it's the next day. It got super late on us, but we got the frame prepped and ready to go. We got all the electrical and brake lines taped off. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it off with some brake cleaner and mix up our paint. So I was hoping that we were able to reuse or use the rest of this chassis paint from the Jeep, but it's actually rock solid, so never order more than what you could use at once. If you haven't seen the Jeep build, check it out. I'll leave it linked up here in the corner. And I had to run to the store and get some of this rust barrier. And it says that this can be painted right over rust or bare metal. Check out the before and after shots. So we're gonna put this to the test and make this frame look brand new. So grab you some popcorn, crack you a cold one, and we're gonna get straight to work. Alright, you guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We made a lot of progress on the truck. The frame is nice and brand new looking. I did end up running out of paint, so I'm going to grab another quart tomorrow. And this paint is pretty thick. At first it was clogging up my gun, so we had to reduce it. And it was just a whole nother ball game from there. And I'm also very satisfied on how the bed liner turned out. It was my first time and it laid down nice and smooth. With that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and smash that bell notification to be the first to watch these videos. Follow me on Instagram at DannyTV to get an inside sneak peek before YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.